In this video, I guide you how to set up and use an Airalo eSIM when traveling. Since I was heading to Thailand, I started by downloading the Airalo app and selecting a plan. Airalo lets you choose between single country, regional, or global eSIMs. I picked a Thailand data-only plan, since most travelers just use messaging apps instead of SMS or calls. After purchasing, I installed the eSIM on my phone at home over Wi-Fi, which is important because the process only works once and requires a stable connection. During installation, I chose the direct install option, labeled my eSIM as Thailand, and made sure data roaming was turned off until I landed. Once in Bangkok, I disabled my primary SIM to avoid roaming charges, turned on the eSIM with data roaming enabled, and let it automatically connect to a local network. At first, the connection was weak, but after restarting my phone and manually selecting AIS, it worked perfectly. I then tested it by browsing the web, confirming the data was active. Inside the Airalo app, you can also track how much data you've used and how long the plan is valid. Overall, setup was straightforward, the connection worked as promised, and Airalo is a convenient option for travelers who want affordable mobile data without dealing with physical SIM cards.